Hi everybody and welcome to my channel, Jason Vlogs and Reviews. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Dairy Queen Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. I got the large size. Well, it does taste like a pumpkin pie. Um, Mixed with like if you had pumpkin pie and you had a scoop of ice cream with it. Um, I like it, but it's not the best blizzard I've ever had. You know, it gets you in the fall feel though. Every bite you get a little bit of a crust. You definitely get the pumpkin flavor. I don't know. It just seems like there's something off about it. Um, like maybe there's too much pumpkin flavor. I mean, I like it, but like I said, not my favorite. Um, I think they could have done better. And obviously, I went to Dairy Queen. While we were at Dairy Queen, my wife and son also got some blizzards, which I tried a little bit before before I got on camera. Um, my wife got the uh, Harvest Berry Pie Blizzard. It's kind of a purple looking blizzard. I believe it has raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries in it. And of course, pie crust. Um, it was okay. It was not anything to write home to your mother about. There was a lot. She said that she found a lot of pie crust in it. You could you could definitely taste the blueberries. There was whole blueberries in it. There were it had a fruit flavor to it, but it wasn't strong. Um, it's worth trying, but like you know it was a little disappointing. And then my son had the snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard, and that one was actually pretty good. If you like snickerdoodles, you'll love the snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard. It definitely tasted like snickerdoodle. Um, you, it was delicious. The little bit that I tried, anyway. But go to Dairy Queen, try these blizzards. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Um, Let me know. If you like this video, give me a subscribe. If you're already subscribed, hit the little notification bell so that you're notified every time that I go live. Um, if if you like the video, hit the like button, the thumbs up button, to let me know that you liked it. Uh, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.